Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can open up account on Revolut. So for that you need to open up your Play Store or App Store and then search for Revolut. After that Revolut will appear. This is the icon and it is by Revolut Limited, so just click on it, and after that you need to install it. Since I have already installed it, that's why it is showing open for me, but for you it will show an option with install. So just click on install and let it install. After that you need to create an account on it, and for that you will be requiring to provide your phone number, and a code will be sent to your phone number. Then you need to put that code on your Revolut account, and then you will be logged into Revolut account. After that you will need to provide some more details about you in order to get the account creation completed. And this is how you create account on Revolut. I hope this video was helpful. If you still need any help, you can always comment down below. Our team will be happy to help you out. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.